Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about the major point of discussion these days, and something which is really bothering our children is the screen addiction. They're really getting addicted to the screen because of the various reasons if we look into. First is like, okay, the schools are online, they have to spend that much time on screen to learn, to continue with their education. Second is their outdoor activities have been stopped totally during this pandemic time, so all the concentration has gone to the screen. Thirdly, the parents are also stressed and they are working and they're trying to cope up with their problems during this pandemic. So they want the children to be occupied in something or the other things, and that's why the easiest way they find is to go back to the screen and spend their time. Now this has come out to be like, this has become a major problem now, because the side effects what we have from this screen addiction, they are severe. They reduce the focus, attention, concentration of the child, and it brings sort of unrest to the whole activity. So how to deal with it? It is very important. अब इसको कैसे हमें सॉल्व करना है, उसकी वजह से बहुत कंसंट्रेशन कम होता जा रहा है, बच्चा हर समय फोन पे लगा रहता है, कई बार तो उसको ये भी नहीं पता होता कि वो देखना क्या चाह रहा है, बट वो फिडल ही करता रहता है, चाहे वो यूट्यूब चैनल है, चाहे वो कोई और चीज़ है. अगर वो एक चीज़ को बैठ के देखे तब भी कुछ सीख जाए, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, क्योंकि इतनी सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज मिलती हैं स्क्रीन पे, तो बच्चा एक जगह स्थिर ना रह के वो अलग अलग चीज़ों पे जंप करता रहता है, which creates lot of disturbance, and the not required material gets into the head. Now how to deal with it, उसको हम डील कैसे करें? अब जो स्कूल का टाइम है उसमें तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनको बच्चों को पढ़ना भी है, और एक वो थोड़ा सा schools are making so much of effort to do it online so that the education doesn't get affected, so that much time child has to spend. So first thing what we can do is कि we can schedule the time other than the school, कि आप 1 घंटा देखोगे, you will see to spend 1 hour or 1.5 hours, whatever is convenient for the child, and whatever is convenient for you to monitor the child when he is using or she is using it. So वो चीज़ देख के आप अपना एक टाइम को schedule करिए बच्चे के लिए. और दूसरा, उससे पहले सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, मैं यहाँ पर हमेशा कहती हूँ कि पेरेंट्स जो कर रहे हैं बच्चा वो सीखता है, तो यू हैव टू चेक योरसेल्फ कि आप अपना कितना समय आईपैड या फ़ोन पे लगा रहे हैं, बिकॉज यू आर द लिविंग एग्जाम्पल इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. So if you are there, if you are spending, so I would make a request, you also keep a check, because वो जितना हार्मफुल बच्चों के लिए है उतना हार्मफुल आपके लिए भी है, तो उसमें अपना एक स्केड्यूल टाइम पे करिए उसको, और देन यू शेयर योर लिविंग एग्जाम्पल विद दिस कि इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स यू बीन एबल टू मैनेज scheduling your time for your phones also, because I think so आपका भी जब काम ऑनलाइन है तो आप मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम अपना स्क्रीन पे बिता रहे हैं. So, जो आप एग्जाम्पल बच्चों के सामने रखेंगे वो उसको फॉलो करेंगे, as simple as that. Now coming to the third point, what else we can do? There's a very nice thing, जब हम लोग का बचपन था या आप लोग का भी बचपन जब होगा, तो you must have done various activities, क्योंकि उस टाइम इतने iPads और iPhones नहीं थे, and we used to spend time playing with our siblings, doing some creating some artwork, reading books, और बहुत सारी playing some board games, बहुत सारी different kind of activities करते थे. So I would say कि try to share those experiences, those beautiful experiences of your lifetime with your children, and this can give them the idea how they can enjoy themselves doing something other than the digital medium. क्योंकि उनको अब ऐसा लगने लगा है कि डिजिटल मीडियम के अलावा सारी चीज़ें बोरिंग होती जा रही है. एंड आई विल मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट, डोंट इंट्रोड्यूस द ई रीडिंग टू अ वेरी यंग चाइल्ड. उनको अभी वो बुक्स ही दीजिए. द प्लेजर ऑफ रीडिंग अ बुक इज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट, एंड उनको अगर ई बुक की रीडिंग या आपने ऑडिबल जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर्स को बच्चों के लिए करा तो माइट भी आप कर सकते हैं, उनको उसमें मना नहीं है, बट द थिंग इज कि जितना कम कर सके उतना अच्छा है. अभी उनको पढ़ने दीजिए, उनको आदत आने दीजिए. So these were the few things. The lastly I would say, like we have designed few activities for the children, or some chart form of thing in which you can just flip off some things, and we play a game. We share with the parents that okay, you can put this chart paper in your living area or wherever you people family get together, and let the child come up and pick up those things and see what activity is written. It might be a nature walk, it might be playing a board game, it might be playing something like Antakshari, it might be playing something like Atlas, or some other games, whatever, and you try to spend that time with your child playing those activities. Or if you don't have that much time, but you can initiate them to do so, वो अपना कर सकते हैं, उनको उस चीज़ों में लगाइए. तो इस किस्म की कुछ activities when you will do, you will be able to motivate them to do something other than digital media, and introduce the cooking, different art forms, different kind of things to them, so that उनका interest और चीज़ों में भी बढ़ता चला जाए. These were the few steps you could do it, and I think so here the family time spent together, or whether 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it can do wonderful job here and can help you as well as your child to come out of this situation. और जो इतना problematic scenario चारों तरफ बना हुआ है, उससे हमको थोड़ा relief भी मिलेगा, हम इस problem को भी solve करेंगे, and then we can lead towards the betterment of our life. I think so this talk will help you. In case if you have any queries, if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to get in touch with us, and do like and subscribe if you like our content, if you feel that it touches you somewhere, and leave your feedback.